Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing you this helpful video that I know that some or a lot of people will find very useful. So this is a closure weave that I've done a while ago. Trust me, I've done a lot of videos, but I haven't got time to edit them. So I'm just writing them all out now to edit, at least before I start making new ones. So today I did a weave on my client, and I just thought, you know what, let me just make a video. You never know who this video will help someday, sometime, which is today. Yay! So, and we use an old closure for the weave, and obviously you can see how it's already looking like it's balding. So I want to show you guys how you can manage it, how you can make it look new, more like. So I'm going to use a permanent marker to achieve this. So the idea is to make this white parts to look tiny. So you can also use a mascara if you don't have a permanent marker. So I'll be tracing on the line and try as much as possible to make it look as tiny as possible. So you can start from the back or from the front, however, whatever works for you. So I will just trace the line. So remember, the idea is to make it look smaller than it's looking now. Use the tip of the marker like you can see. So I'm just going to trace the line. So trace the line in a way that it doesn't look too straight. I'm gonna just trace the line to cover what I need to cover, but then you will see along as we go on that I'm gonna make it look jig-jag. You can do it jig-jag from the beginning, but for me to make it easier, just trace what you want to trace, like covering the line while you trace. Then you can go back and add to it so that you don't see any bald patches. So I'm just going in now with the jig-jag thing, like, so it doesn't look too straight. Just going to cover those transparent looking bald patch. You can see it's covered already. Yay! We're gonna go to the second line. You can start from the back, you can start from the front. Just trace it, trace. So when you trace, be very careful so you don't cover the actual path, because the whole idea is for you to have like a more realistic path. You don't want to cover it so it start looking dark instead of looking, you know, like your skin, like your scalp, sort of. So be careful when you do that. Just trace as close as possible to the hair itself and not too much to the already made path. Just be as close as possible to the hair so you don't go too far covering the whole thing. So you just trace. Once you get to your desire, how wide or how tiny you want it to be, you just kind of, you know, color the inside so it doesn't look too transparent or show that it's bald. Voila! What do you guys think? It's already looking not bald no more. It's not looking bald anymore. So yeah, I thought to bring this video, to edit this particular video, because I know some people that already done their weave before the lockdown. At the moment, maybe by now their closure will probably be looking bald. So this video will definitely help you. Don't forget to share so others can, you know, use it as well to salvage their closure. So here I'm using my foundation. You can use any foundation, the color of your skin, so that it can match your skin tone. I got this from the Poundland for £1. I'm just tracing the path, and I'm rubbing it in. Make sure you rub it in so it looks as natural as possible, and voila, that's it. Well done. It's really nice. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Hair by Fizzy, Twitter, Hair by Fizzy, Facebook, Hair by Fizzy. Everywhere literally is Hair by Fizzy. Thank you so much, guys, for my the last video I posted. I saw a lot of comments from you guys and likes, and a lot of people subscribed. That's actually an encouragement. That's why I came up with this video. The more I get encouragement, your support, by liking, sharing, commenting, and all that, the more I bring more videos for you guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I've seen everyone that I've liked, everyone that commented. I see all of you. Thank you so much. I think we're done now. I'll see you guys again in my next video by God's grace. Thank you. Bye.